If you hate manual data management but still need accurate data, then listen up. Our client, a leading IT firm in the USA, was drowning in manual Power BI tasks. They needed a superhero. Enter Blackcoffer. Discover how Blackcoffer's team of highly skilled professionals leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower organizations and drive their success. From strategic planning to implementation, Blackcoffer is dedicated to delivering exceptional IT consulting services tailored to the unique needs of each client. We tackled their pain points with a Python-powered solution. By integrating with the Power BI API, our system fetched and managed data flows, datasets, and refresh schedules effortlessly. Secure authentication with MSL ensured their data stayed safe. Using pandas, we processed and consolidated this data into a comprehensive Excel file. Easy access and detailed information, just what the doctor ordered. The result? A robust automated system that slashed manual labor, elevated data accuracy, and provided real-time monitoring. Our client could now focus on insights and decision-making, not mundane data management. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your Power BI management, Blackcoffer's got your back. So dive into the future of IT consulting with us. Join us on this journey to uncover how Blackcoffer has earned its reputation as a trusted partner in the industry, providing unmatched solutions that elevate businesses to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to gain invaluable insights and discover the possibilities that await with Blackcoffer. Like and share this video to spread the word about Blackcoffer's global expertise and industry-leading standards. Together, let's celebrate the achievements of this remarkable IT consulting firm and inspire others to reach for their highest potential.